Alright, so what we have today. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can compare images in Python. And so yeah, without wasting time, let's get started. So for setup, I have this main.py file, which is just empty, and I have these two images. So first one is this and second one is this. So these are not two similar images. Okay, so first of all, let's create an environment, Python environment, Python -m virtual env. So I assume that you know what are virtual environment and how to create and how to activate them. So if you don't know activate, you can do this. So I will have to rerun it again because I don't know, somehow it doesn't work with just a single command. And I will, so let's do print compare images script is running. So let's do python main.py compare images script is running. Boom. Okay, so we are good to start now. So first of all, we will have to install pip install below. Okay, so we will do import, just a second. So we will have to import pil from, sorry, from, I was doing like JavaScript type, from pil import image. So is this there is a capital I of the image, and we will have to install another library, which is pip install image hash. Image hash, I guess it is right. Okay, let's do Google for Python image hash. Pip install this. Okay, we are going to cancel it and we will do image hash. I guess this was same, but anyways. Okay, so our Python library has been installed, and now let's store these package detail into requirements.txt. And so if we go here, we have image hash and numpy comes with it below, and PyVelvets, I don't know, SciPy. Okay, so now we will import image hash just like this. Okay, so now firstly we will create the hash of our first image. Okay, so let's name it hash1. Okay, so we will go to, so let's first pick our image. Okay, let's say image1 is equal to image, sorry, image dot open. So we are going to open one dot jpg. Okay, so one.jpg, and we are going to rename it to, and we are going to open the second image. So image hash, so we will do the image hash library. We will call the image hash library, and we will do average hash of the image one, and we will do same for the second one. Okay, okay, and now we will provide a cutoff value, which will be, let's say, 5. Okay, so now let's run it. Let's see if we don't have any errors. Okay, so we don't have any error, and we are not currently printing out anything to the console, so everything is working good. And now if um if hash, we will have to subtract hash1 and hash2. So if their values will be less than cutoff, then images are similar. Okay, so if hash1 minus hash2 is less than cutoff value, then we will say print images are similar. Okay, else print images are not similar. Okay, so let's do main.py images are not similar. Okay, cool. So as we both know that also, both what, so as we know that these both images are not similar, so I will import the same image in the image 2 and let's see what it does. Boom, images are similar. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So you can integrate this code in your Flask app or in Django app as well. So in next video I might do integration with all of this code with some Django or with the Flask code as well, or make an API. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Bye bye.